Hi, I'm Everett Abrams, the Wizard of Wood, and today I want to talk to you about the elephant in the room when it comes to exterior wood restoration in today's market. And that is, how do I find the right contractor to restore my deck or my wood surfaces, my siding, my home, the things I've spent a lot of money on, okay? And that becomes a real issue for a lot of customers that are looking for this type of service. It is a niche specialty type service, and it can be done the right way or obviously the wrong way. But to find that right contractor is difficult because there's a lot of people that just look at YouTube videos, or they just think it's a splash and dash kind of thing, and hey, we cleaned it up, it looks better, and we move on. But that doesn't necessarily mean they restored the wood, or the wood is in the condition it needs to be sealed or stained, and to bring out that nice beautiful look that is the reason we have the wood to begin with. So what we're doing here at Deck Restoration Plus and DRP Enterprises, the Wizard of Wood, is we have, and I have, taught over 10,000 contractors over a 20-year period. And what we have is a huge database of the people that actually learned the correct way to restore wood, not just clean your wood, but actually restore it and take good care of it, maintain it moving forward. So we're telling you that you can contact us. And if you contact us, we will help you either qualify, find a referral. We have an in-network program of preferred contractors with DRP and Deck Restoration Plus that have taken our classes and have the education and actually do the work when it comes to restoration. Or if not, we can at least help you find the contractor in your area and how the best way to do that is. So we're telling you, if you need help finding someone to restore your wood, the best products and the best contractors in your area, or that we can refer to you, we're the ones to go to. Call us. Our toll-free number we'll put up on the video. It's 866-440-3325. That's 866-440-3325. And hopefully we can refer you to one of our preferred contractors in our program. I'm Everett Abrams, the Wizard of Wood. Please subscribe to the channel if you like this video.